down on the mat. Knees bent, feet flat, about hip width apart. Draw your belly in. Lift your knees over your hips. Squeeze your legs together. Slide your arms long on the mat. Lift your head, neck, and chest. Look forward towards your thighs. Lift the arms up thigh height. Stretch the legs out on a high diagonal. Pump the arms up and down. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ideally, you do 10 sets of 10. Exhale. I'm only going to show you half. 4, 5. Exhale. 4, 5. Pull the belly in. Exhale. In. 4, 5. Exhale. 3, 4, 5. Hold. Bring the knees in. Rest the legs down. Here, you can rock yourself up for a half roll back. Let's all do that. Hold behind the thighs, hip width apart, tip the pelvis back. Exhale to come up. Rolling back. Exhale to come up. Extend the arms forward. Scoop to lift. Rotate that pelvis and lift up. If you're able to get your low back down to the mat, go all the way down. Reach the arms up overhead. Exhale, scoop, let the legs straighten in front. You found your full roll up. Roll it back. Arms go up and back. Lift, use your breath. Exhale, all the way over and roll it back. Let's do that one more time. Lifting up, scoop and lift, and all the way forward. Roll it down. Arms press down into the mat. Lift your right leg up, knee over hip, and circle around 5 times. Up, exhale, lift. 3, 2, and 1. Reverse. Open, down, around, up. Open, down, around, up. Stabilize with the left side. Draw the belly in. One more. Good. And straighten the leg down. Flex that foot. Lift the other leg up. Across. Down, around, up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold here at the top, reverse, open, down, across, up and lift. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Straighten your leg on the mat. If you did the full roll up, you do another roll up to come up to sit. Come forward on your mat for rolling like a ball. Grab close to your ankle, draw everything in. Knees to thighs, knees to chest, and go ahead, roll back, inhale. Exhale up and hold. Keep pulling everything in, inhale. Exhale up and hold. Find your balance. Inhale. Exhale up and hold. And I'm gonna do 2 more. Lift. Last one. Lift. Then I'll bring my feet down. Scoot back so you're in the middle of your mat. Roll all the way down to the mat with control. Bring your knees in over your hip, up. Lift your head, neck, and chest. Look forward towards your thighs. Put both hands on top of the right shin. Stretch the left leg away. Pull it in and switch. Pull and switch. 2, 2. Inhale. Exhale. Pull. Reach. Last one. Pull. Reach. Bring both knees in. Double leg stretch. Stretch the legs forward. Press the arms. Press the arms. Pull everything in. Again, reach out. Long. Belly in. Exhale. 2 more. Reach. 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 Pull it in. Last one. Reach. 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 Pull it in. Rest the head down. From here, you're going to rock yourself up. Spine stretch forward. Legs go wide on the mat. Sit up nice and tall. and slide the arms forward. Exhale, 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 and go back up. Inhale, grow tall. You can also bring your arms out in front. Flex forward and lift up. Grow tall. Inhale and exhale, scoop, reach, reach, and all the way up. Stay lifted. Bring the arms out to the side, twist, flex, reach, come up, and center. Twist, flex, reach, come up, and center. Again, twist, flex, reach, up, center, and again, up, and center. Bring the arms down, bring the legs together, turn over onto your side, line your upper body up with the back of your mat, long arm, bring your legs forward on the mat, hand down in front, legs are stacked, side kicks forward and back, lift the leg up hip high, kick to the front, extend to the back, kick to the front, extend to the back. Notice that the bottom leg is not moving. And back, one more time, forward and back. Bring the legs together, turn out from the hip, slight external rotation. Kick the leg up, squeeze it down. Kick up, squeeze down, and lift, and lower. Two more, up and down, one, up and down. Bring the legs together. I'm gonna go over onto my other side. Again, long arm, everybody in line with the back of the mat, legs forward on the mat, hand in front. Lift the leg up hip high, kick to the front, stand to the back, forward and back. Kick, extend, two more, forward, back, forward, back. Bring the legs together, turn out from the hip, kick it up, reach it down. 2. Try to keep the spine long. Keep reaching out the crown of the head. One more time, up and down. Very good. Come up to sit. I'm gonna swivel around so my legs are back at the front of the mat for another rolling exercise called seal. Come forward, take your hands on the inside of your ankles, wrap them around on the outside of the ankles. Walk your legs in, find your hover, and you're gonna hold your soles of your feet together, scoop the belly, roll back, exhale up and hold. Scoop to roll back, exhale. 2 more times. Come up and lift. Bring the feet down. Basic 10.